Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Gmail on laptop. And in this video, I will show you how to simply enable offer to save password into your Gmail account without any stress. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is make sure you log into your Gmail account. Having logged into your Gmail account, go ahead and click on your profile icon, then navigate to manage your Google account. And the next thing you want to do right is go ahead and make sure you click on password manager. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on this setting icon right here. And here you go. Offer to save password. Be sure you turn on this button right here. Once you turn on this particular button, then you are done. It's that simple. Which simply means that any website you create an account with a particular Gmail account or you sign up an account with them, automatically Gmail is going to embed it and save the password auto. Then this will enable you to have access back to the password in the future, should in case you forget the password. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks like this about Gmail account, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.